Our hair is a vital aspect of our identity, and nurturing it with the right practices can yield remarkable benefits. In the next 4 minutes, we'll explore the science behind hair oiling, different types of oils to consider, methods of application, do's and don'ts, and additional tips for maintaining healthy locks. The science behind hair health. Before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch upon the science behind hair health. Our hair goes through a natural cycle of growth, rest, and shedding. Various factors, such as genetics, age, and lifestyle, influence this cycle. Hair loss can occur when the cycle is disrupted or when hair follicles become weakened. This is where the practice of hair oiling steps in to offer its benefits. Choosing the right oils. Not all oils are created equal. Various oils offer unique benefits due to their composition of vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. Some popular options include coconut oil, argan oil, castor oil, and jojoba oil. Coconut oil moisturizes the hair, argan oil adds shine, castor oil strengthens the hair shaft, and jojoba oil balances the scalp's natural oil production. The oiling technique. 1. Preparation. Warm the oil slightly by placing the oil container in a bowl of hot water. This enhances its effectiveness by ensuring better absorption. 2. Sectioning. Divide your hair into sections to ensure even application. This makes it easier to focus on both the scalp and the hair strands. 3. Application. Start by applying the oil to your scalp. Use your fingertips to gently massage the oil in circular motions. Massaging stimulates blood circulation, aiding in nutrient delivery to the hair follicles. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. 4. Lengths and tips. After massaging the scalp, work the remaining oil through the lengths and tips of your hair. This helps condition and protect the entire hair strand. 5. Time for absorption. Allow the oil to sit for at least 30 minutes or longer if possible. This gives your hair and scalp ample time to absorb the nourishing goodness of the oil. 6. Washing out. Use a gentle shampoo to wash out the oil. You might need to shampoo twice to completely remove the oil residue. Follow with conditioner if desired. Do's and don'ts. 1. Do not over-oil. Excessive oiling can lead to a greasy scalp and clogged follicles. 2. Do a patch test. Test the oil on a small area of skin to check for any allergic reactions before applying it to your scalp. 3. Choose organic oils. Opt for cold-pressed, unrefined oils to ensure they retain their natural nutrients. 4. Be consistent. Like any routine, hair oiling requires regularity to see significant results. Additional tips for hair health. 1. Balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids, can contribute to healthier hair. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking ample water helps keep your hair and scalp hydrated. 3. Stress management. Chronic stress can lead to hair loss, so practicing relaxation techniques is crucial. 4. Gentle hair care. Avoid excessive heat styling, tight hairstyles, and harsh chemicals that can damage your hair. In conclusion, the practice of oiling your hair is not just a traditional ritual, but a scientifically backed method for promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. By selecting the right oils, applying them using suitable methods, and following additional hair care tips, you can nurture your locks to their full potential. Remember, consistent care and patience are key when embarking on this journey to healthier, more resilient hair.